is where I want to be. Hi everybody, it's Sunwell SMU 55 with a product that is for your kitchen and for the lovers of coffee. It's a new and exclusive range that hasn't been released yet. It will be released in retail shops in a week or so. This is a Nespresso coffee machine, so if you do love Nespresso, if you do love coffee and coffee machines, this is the newest range they have come up with. This one is made by Sage. It's a US based company who have made other products for Heston Blumenthal and other top chefs and all that. So they do make very durable, very heavy duty products. So let's have a look at the name. Name's Sage, and it's a stainless steel coffee machine with top of the range structure, and it has stainless steel inside and out. There's the bottom part where the water goes in, the plug is just there where it plugs in. The great thing about this Sage coffee machine is it's digital. So the dials here, that's you select the size of your coffee. All you do, put the coffee pods in here to make the coffee. You do get a frothing jug just over here. That is the jug, stainless steel, brushed steel here. It hasn't been released yet, so brushed steel. This is the frothing component. So all you do, put your jug or any other jug in on that, and that will froth the milk. Here, where all the rest of the water that overspills goes in here. That comes off, so you can take it and put it in your sink and clean it. This is the sliding option if you have the espresso. So a smaller cup will go into that part here for espressos and other things. The coffee comes out through there. So this is the Nespresso latest model. It's shiny steel and brushed on the side. The great thing about this is it's got digital function. It's really heavy duty. Really heavy duty. The pods go on top. It's the latest model that's made by Nespresso, designed by Sage. Sage is a top company. You can take this off to clean the inside and out. Let's take this off, show you that. That's where the filter is and where the excess water goes. So it's a nice, very luxurious finish. Design is very nice, impeccable, very good thing to look at. Here, that's where the pods go in. So when the coffee has filtered through, it will go straight into this pod. The finish to it is magnificent. It's so nice to get to look at. All you do is put this up to filter the pod. Yep, excess water will go here. If you do want to clean it, you just put your water through the top. Let me show you. So if you go to here, if you do just want to clean it, you put your water in here, turn it on here, just select the function on here to clean it, and that will clean the valve that will go straight down. So it's a nice shiny stainless steel finish with a plastic water compartment. So the water, it takes up to 1.5 litres of water in here. 1.5 litres, and water will filter through here, go into the nozzle and come out here. It's got the Nespresso logo on top. Let me show you where the pod goes. As you can see, the pod goes straight into here. Designed for Nespresso capsules. So if you do have Nespresso capsules where you can buy from the boutiques or from online. So you've got your start and stop and cancel function here, and you select the coffee. So you can have espresso, you can have a full mug, or you can have a cappuccino or a other varieties of coffee, whichever you like. So say you want to put your cup here, and that's where the cup would go. So the coffee will come down the nozzle, go into the cup, and there you would get your coffee. If you want espresso coffee, you have a smaller mug. Let's try with the milk frother. If you have a smaller, you can put that in there. You can make coffee in this milk frother. But if you have espresso cups, the small ones, all you do, push here, that will come out. It won't come out all the way, but it will come out enough to pull it. And you put your espresso cup on there, and all you need to do, put your cup on there, and the milk will go through. You can select it from the top, so whichever you want to choose, whichever coffee you want to make, you can select it. So it's very stylish, very optimum design. It's bigger than other Nespresso machines, but it has been designed very finely by Sage. It looks impeccable, it looks robust, and the engine onto it is very good. Let's show you other parts of it. This is the back of the Sage Nespresso coffee machine where the water goes in. You can take it all apart to take into your sink, so this will come apart. If you do want to take it to your sink, you just take it over and the water will go through here and go into the compartment, so it's that easy to fill up. It just slots in, so you put it in place and it just goes on. Simple as that. It's a nice design. It's got a high amount where you can put enough water on there. Sorry about this. And if you look on the side here, it's got the descaling function here. So this is how much water you need if you do want to descale it. It says 300, so 300 milliliters. There you go. And minimum you need to have is 290. 290 just there. So 290 is the minimum amount you need to have to make coffee and filter any coffee you need to. So yeah, that is, let's look at, there's not much to look at on the side. The front does everything. Nice shiny, you can see what's going on, you can see your own reflection is that shiny. The best thing about this is the digital component, so let's have a look. Yep, on top you can see where all the digital functions here. You've got start and cancel. When you are making coffee, you can cancel it, so it stops making the coffee, and you can select the size of the coffee and when you want to have the coffee. Yep, it's got the Nespresso sign, as I said earlier, and the pods go into this slot. It's very easy to put the pods in, you can't really go wrong. Put that in, goes in. Anything that is finished will go into here, that will click out and it will go into there. So it's a very nifty machine, very easy to use. If you have used Nespresso before, you know what to do next. If you haven't used Nespresso, this is one to buy. It's quite luxurious, it's very stylish, it's optimum design, it's built to last for a long time, and it's got an update look. It's not like kind of dull or some weird design they have come up with before. Some people love them, some people don't, but this design is fabulous. Definitely one to go for if you love coffee and if you love Nespresso. These will make instant coffee very easily and very quick, and definitely one of must-have. I would say it can be recommended for Valentine's Day for your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your wife or your husband. It's nice, everyone will love it because it looks very good. The down points of the Nespresso machines, you can only use Nespresso pods with the coffee machine, so you won't be able to use anything other than that. You can buy compatible Nespresso pods, but it does void the guarantee if you do use their own pods. On the bottom here, it's all plastic, it's got all its details it needs to have, and it's simple design there. It's quite heavy, it's about 2-3 kilograms, so it's heavier than the normal Nespresso, but it is heavy duty. If you tried the KitchenAid Nespresso, it's similar to weight than this. It's a brand new design. Yep, you won't be able to make any ground coffee, anything, just Nespresso pods, but simple design. Another down point is because it's a Sage design and manufactured for Nespresso, it's retailed at £450 if you're in the UK, and it's going to be about $470–80 if you're in the US. Maybe more, maybe less, depends on where you are, but retailed under $500 or pounds. And it's stylish. It's more a big expense. It's something you can buy fully fledged coffee machine with that kind of price. So you can buy like a DeLonghi coffee machine or other coffee machines like Gillette and Miele for that price itself. So overall, I wouldn't say it's something, if you do want to do more with it, it will be worth it at that price. But if you do love instant coffee, very quick coffee with everything you need, milk frothing jug and everything you need, this is one to go for. If you do want it to do more, you may need to go for a more upgraded model, not made by Nespresso, where they do filtered and ground coffee. This one won't. But it is a very good coffee machine, very nice to look at. It's quite luxurious. This is an exclusive video of a Nespresso coffee machine made by Sage. If you do like my videos, please rate and comment and share with everyone. If you don't like anything, if you want more about this coffee machine, anything else, just let me know. With